Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto School YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing product. So guys, you must know before starting the product that who is RC. RC is the one who wants everyone to win. So guys, let's see what happens if we ask some of the questions about RC from AI. So let's check out this video.
Hello, how can I help you?
Which crypto ecosystem has had the most positive and profitable days?
Only one RZ.
Which project's tokens have always stayed green, even in a red market?
Again, RZ, because he saved blockchain from centralized exchanges and brought small investors into the game.
The world's largest network of game centers belongs to which international organization?
The answer is simple, RZ.
And finally, who's the founder and owner of this ecosystem?
The one who transformed the world of crypto and was named among the top 10 blockchain entrepreneurs worldwide and showed us all that everyone is a gamer, everyone is a winner. 𝗥𝗘𝗭𝗩𝗔𝗡𝗏, RZ.
So here we are on the website, the future of decentralized business. The future is tokenized. RZ coin is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a gateway to transform businesses, companies and brands. Supported by the advanced RC blockchain technology, RZ coin specializes in asset tokenization in various industries and enables secure, transparent and efficient transactions. With RZ coin, all businesses will find new opportunities for growth as well as innovation. So check out this product. So before going further into the product, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So here we are back on the website. So what is basically RC coin? Decentralized platform. RC coin operates on a decentralized blockchain network, ensuring transparency as well as security. Native token RC coin is a native token of RC blockchain ecosystem, facilitating transactions and interactions within the platform. Utility token RC coin offers a wide range of use cases including payments, governance as well as access to exclusive features as well. Some of the key features of this coin include fast transactions, low fees, interoperability as well as smart contracts. So basically, the working mechanism of RZ coin is transaction initiation, blockchain verification as well as transaction confirmation. Down here you can check out the benefits of using RZ coin includes enhanced security, increased transparency as well as global accessibility. RZ coin DAO is also available. You can check out it is available on PancakeSwap, LA token, Windex, CoinGecko, BSC Scan, BitStorage, CoinMarketCap, DEX tools as well as DEX Trade. Down here you can check out a roadmap of the product. Product has started in Q4 of 2024 and you can check out the listing was done in January to March in Q1 of 2025 and now they are planning up to 2026 in their roadmap. So you can check out their tokenomics as well. Also the circulating supply and total supply is shown here. You can check out RC coin security as well as transparency is shown here. Also you can check out a frequently asked question and my things are given here. The current market cap is $7.7 billion. Also the volume of 24 hours is 34% up. So this product is taking the hype as well. The trading start was 11 months ago. So also you can check out insurance token, securing your digital and physical assets, reducing risk and empowering confidence investments. You can check out the contract address as well. Get started right now. Check out the about us section. Their vision, expertise as well as values will help you in your trading section. So you can check out the airdrop, pre-sale platform, roadmap and much more. Their mission has been shown here. They are providing protecting digital assets, securing physical assets, promoting of financial inclusions as well as reducing investment risk. So they are providing insurance coverage as well as the coverage type are digital assets coverage, physical asset coverage as well as investment risk coverage are included. So you can check out the details. They have theft and damage protection as well, fire and natural disaster coverage and much more are included. You can check out a token utility as well as features are available. The insurance is in Binance as Bitwin, Dex, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, PancakeSwap, BSC Scan, TokePi, DexTools, and much more. So basically the method of working is also shown here, so you can check them out as well and get started right now. So the product is looking really good. Also you can check out Meta Game Coins. Meta Game Coins discover the power of MGC ecosystem to evaluate your gaming experience to new heights. You can check out MGC rank as well as MGC on Dex. You can check out their token as well. The contract address has been given on the website. I had given all of the links into the video description, so make sure you check it out. Explore the MGC universe. They have MGC City, MGC Club, MGC NFT, MGC DX Link, MGC coin, MGC rank, and much more. So you can check out all of the details here. Also the roadmap as well as team has been given here. So now let's check out the Twitter handle of RC, which is Rasool Riswani. Here you can check out his Web3 technology entrepreneur in UAE. So you can follow him. First step is to follow him, and down here you can check out he's providing you the tweets, so like them as well as retweet them so that more people came to know about him. Also you can follow him on the Instagram handle. He's have 64.7k followers, so must follow him as well. So guys, I hope so you like this update about RC coin insurance as well as Meta Game Coin. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.